You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting names that too many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. How do you say it? In British English it is said as Worcester. Worcester. In American English, if you're talking about the city in Massachusetts, Worcester. Worcester is how it is said in English. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations, including names of famous places around the US and names that too many get wrong. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.